So this car just came back from a trip. They took it to the Keys. I mean, she's pretty dirty, even though she doesn't look like it. She'd be a lot cleaner. You know, see, you know, went to the Keys, the beach, like sand all over the place, sand over here, right, and then the back seat, like sand everywhere. You can even see right here. So now we gotta clean this car and get it ready for its next trip. First thing I always do is I take out the mats, because I have rubber mats which are pretty clutch. I can just, you know, kind of like wash them down, close them down like with a pressure washer. It gets all the dirt out. You see, there's dirt like there, dirt like that. All this freaking sand. the inside, I mean, it's kind of like up to you whether you think it's like good, bad, too much, overkill, whatever. I usually steam the area, right? Because you can see like there's dirt and dust, you know, dirt, dust, all this crap. Like you can't get a good idea, but yeah. So, and it's like all in the seat. So I usually steam it, and then I have my vacuum, my handheld vacuum. What I do is like after I steam it, everything becomes like pretty like it rises, so it's easy to kind of just like scrape to the center, and yeah, and then I'll just like scrape everything together into one pile like it's like a broom, and then I'll just like vacuum it all up, and that's how I'll kind of do most of the car. And then after that, I'll just like wipe everything down with the spray. Sometimes like I'll spray and then steam, just because like the water may not like smell the best, because like sometimes get it from the hose or from fucking gross ass faucet. So just spray it because this is like a lavender kind of color smell. And yeah, so let go. Shit like every time, right? And like look, like, people eat, people this, people that, you know, so like it really like catches up. And like this is just all after one trip. Like I did this exact same thing, you know, kind of before, like right before that trip, this car left on its other trip, and all this stuff. Okay. So you really got to be on top of it, you know. You got to do this every time. Now gotta do the seat. The seat isn't too bad, it's just stained, but again, since I have everything out, alright, where were we? So I didn't realize I could open up the trunk and I'll get more lighting for the back, because I had pretty shitty lighting when I was doing it. But yeah, like it was really dirty like the others, but I got most of it. But I'm glad that's just like the water and the spray. I'm gonna wipe that down. But like one of the main things I want to show you is like, you see these little crevices right here, right, that are full of dirt and shit. Like you know, the devil's in the details. So when you see things like this is those little things are what, you know, like are the most noticeable sometimes. It's pretty crazy. So yeah, we're just gonna get rid of that. Like we're gonna have to put in a little extra work, but with like something like this and the window and a scuff, like, and they all just like add up, you know. So we'll see if I can get that with the vacuum. If not, we'll try to get it out some other way. Actually, let's work smarter, not harder. So what I'll probably do is I'm gonna get this, my little trusted, you know, crevice cleaner. Kind of just get it all out. Clean out the whole crevice. To be honest, I think the best thing to do is, hold on. When you're in a situation like this, like, steam it, let it all rise, and then just clean it up like that with the towel. Right? Just looking, get it all out with the towel, and now like most of it's gone. Or pop it back up into a place that you can get it out from. So just, I don't know if you can see, but it's like a lot cleaner now. I mean, that's all you want, right? You just don't want to leave it in the position that it's in, like being all dirty and stuff. Just clean as much as you can each time and eventually go away. And in terms of this, I'm just gonna like kind of get in there, just wipe it all off, this freaking sand. And even if I need to vacuum it again, like who the hell cares? Again, on this side, I have the same shit going on. All right. So now, at the front passenger seat, not too much in the perforations, but definitely a bunch of sandage here everywhere. So when you get to steaming, kind of just over that, below this, you know how it goes. Trying to avoid it all kind of getting on the carpet. And if not, like again, we'll just run through the vacuum again. Yeah. Now in terms of the center console, right, just some fucking garbage that they left there. It's nice. Put that up after. So you see, I mean, I clean it like this every time, but a lot of like dirt gets built up in the corners and the crevices, you know, and all that. So I just like, I'm gonna spray it down a little bit at a distance so it doesn't mess anything up. And then just like wipe it down, like, see here, and I'll show you, like the devil's lie right here, right? People's like, girls' makeup, they'll be kicking it, do whatever, right? I don't even know. Looks like some freaking cheap ass makeup got stuck on there. Right, they'll even like get it right here too. So, yeah, just kind of like, you know, I mean, I'll just steam it, to be honest. I'm gonna put this cable up in here. Sometimes this clip comes out, just lock it back in, boom. back of the seats too, by the way, sorry. I'm gonna be totally honest, I'm gonna kind of like rush through everything, and I may not record everything, but I really wanted to just kind of get this out there. So you may see me like skipping ahead. It's important. Skipping ahead, and you're gonna be like, how did I do this? How did I do that? Just apply like that same thought process. Yeah, because I'm getting late for this trip. Fuck. So, but I wanted to give like an idea, and I promise like I'll do like, if you guys want, if anybody watches this, I'll do like another one like more proper in detail, kind of spend the day just doing it. And yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, I'm probably gonna give you the best tip that I've ever gotten for cleaning cars. People will sneeze, spill coffee, do this, do that. And if you just like clean the inside of the windshield, like some people, like it blows my mind how some people like will forget. Like of course do the outside as well, but if you do the inside plus the outside, it makes such a freaking difference. It's crazy. Like how clear. Does it even look like there's a windshield here? It's insane.